Today's episode is absolutely overflowing, like someone took every major AI announcement, every jaw-dropping update, every weird headline you didn't even know you needed, tossed it all into a high-powered industrial blender, slammed the Turbo Max button, and just blasted it straight into your brain at light speed. We've got new AI tools that can animate your selfies, chatbots that see and speak every language, cloud wars heating up, and enough drama to make Silicon Valley look like a soap opera. But grab a snack. This is going to be wild. Let's go. Character.ai drops avatar effects. First up, Character AI just unleashed avatar effects, and it's basically Photoshop and Pixar had a baby. And that baby runs on caffeine and chaos. This tool lets you animate anything, from AI characters to real photos of actual people. Meaning, yes, you can now turn your boring LinkedIn headshot into a full-blown rap battle champion. Or animate your cat giving a motivational TED Talk about chasing laser pointers. Avatar FX isn't just another text-to-video gimmick either. It lets you upload static images, pick a voice and a style, and boom, your photo comes to life. Styles range from ultra-realistic human looks to cartoon animals to anime to full cinematic storytelling, meaning you could have your goldfish delivering Shakespearean monologues by Friday. But, and it's a big but, this also opens up a black hole of deepfake possibilities. Yeah, Character.ai swears they're putting in safeguards. Watermarks on all generated videos, automatic filters to block animations of minors, restrictions on using celebrity images and politicians, and a big nope to anything even slightly shady. But let's be honest, trusting the internet not to misuse this is like trusting a raccoon not to tip over your trash can. Avatar FX is currently in closed beta, but once it rolls out publicly, expect a whole new era of AI-generated content and a whole lot of lawsuits. Next up, Grok just got a major glow-up, and Elon's team at xAI is flexing hard. The chatbot isn't just typing answers anymore. It's seeing, speaking, and searching in real time. They've rolled out 3 massive features. Grok Vision. Now you can literally point your phone's camera at anything, a product, a sign, your sad desk lunch, and Grok will instantly tell you what it is, how to use it, and probably roast you for your life choices. It's basically like having a pocket-sized robot buddy who's fluent in what the heck am I looking at? Multilingual speech mode. Grok's not just speaking English anymore. It now talks to you in Spanish, French, Japanese, Hindi, Turkish, and probably a few more by the time you finish watching this video. Global Flex activated. Real-time voice search. Now when you ask Grok questions out loud, it doesn't just sit there thinking about it for 10 seconds. It answers you immediately. Live, fast, natural. Like you're chatting with a hyperactive friend who's had way too much coffee. But there's a catch. If you're on Android, you can't use the new voice features unless you subscribe to the $30 month Super Grok plan. Yup. If you want Grok to see your donut and tell you it's not part of a balanced diet, you gotta pay up. Otherwise, that jelly-filled masterpiece remains a mystery forever. AI News Lightning Round. All right, let's rapid fire through some of the wildest AI headlines you probably missed. OpenAI execs casually said they'd buy Chrome if they could. Because when you control the biggest AI model in the world, why not casually eye the world's most used browser too? It's giving if I could, I'd buy the Moon, Mars, and maybe sprinkle in Jupiter too energy. Relax, OpenAI. Maybe conquer one planet at a time, yeah? Microsoft gave 365 Copilot a makeover. Apparently it needed a personality upgrade, because nothing says AI productivity tool like a chatbot that used to sound like a confused intern. Now it's got a shiny new design, better search, a notebook mode, and is officially trying to be your know-it-all coworker, but slightly less annoying. NVIDIA's AI assistant just got plugins for Spotify and Twitch. So now your AI buddy can not only answer questions, it can also pick the perfect study music playlist and help you absolutely fumble your next Twitch stream. The future is here, and it's jamming. Apple is quietly deleting available now claims about Apple Intelligence, because surprise, surprise, it's not really available now. They're scrubbing their website like a student desperately erasing wrong answers before the teacher collects the test. Oh, that feature, yeah! Coming, someday, trust us. And that's your chaotic whirlwind tour of today's AI side quests. Next, Adobe drops Firefly Image 4 and Boards. Meanwhile, Adobe is not sleeping on this AI race. They just dropped Firefly Image Model 4 and Firefly Ultra, and they are coming in hot. Firefly 4 is built for speed, precision, and realism. Think faster renders, better lighting control, crispy clean 2K resolution. You want leaves so detailed you can count every vein? You want a cat portrait that makes you question reality itself? Done. Instantly. No questions asked. And for the perfectionists out there, Firefly Ultra cranks it up another level. Complex scenes, intricate textures, cinematic detail that makes your Instagram posts look like Oscar nominees? Yup, Ultra's got you covered. But wait, there's more. For the first time ever, Adobe's letting you play with third-party AI models from OpenAI, Google, and others. Catch? They slap a big neon warning label on them for experimentation only, which is corporate speak for go nuts. But please don't sue us if it breaks your brain. Creative Cloud apps also got way smarter. Illustrator's generating patterns like it's a fabric designer on triple espressos. Photoshop's making selections and color adjustments basically telepathically. And there's an updated actions panel that learns your editing style, meaning soon, Photoshop will know you better than your own mother. Oh, and they're launching Firefly Boards too. Basically a Pinterest on steroids for creative teams. Brainstorm, mood board, concept plan, and vibe check your way to greatness, all inside Adobe's AI playground. Adobe's message here is loud and clear. We're not just keeping up, we're rewriting the whole creative game. And honestly, I'm here for it. Dropbox Dash gets a serious buff.